Hi, welcome to the Informatica Knowledge Base Search demo. In this video, we'll be covering the following topics: accessing the Informatica Knowledge Base, various touch points from where the knowledge base can be accessed, the knowledge base homepage, browsing and searching for KB articles, documentation and other support documents, article recommendations and Informatica University, which are the two new features, feedback and sharing options. You can now access the Informatica knowledge base by going to network.informatica.com, and the search spotlight bar is available across all the pages on the community across the network. So enter the search term that you are looking for. You will be prompted with a set of suggested results for all the products. You can click in on any of these to go to the article view page or the article itself, or you can click the search icon to go to the KB search results page. Another touch point from where you can access the knowledge base is hitting the knowledge base tab on top of the search bar here, and this is on the network homepage. Clicking on this will take you to the KB homepage. On the KB homepage, you find the featured content which highlights articles selected by the system administrator for special attention, and you have the recent content, which is a set of most recently published articles featured on the homepage. And the homepage also hosts a variety of other content types like the support videos, expert assistant and velocity. Moving on to the knowledge base search. After clicking the search icon, the search results are fetched based on the keyword that you have entered, and the keyword is highlighted here. Note that by default, the search results are fetched for all content types, which is the knowledge base, the product documentation, HTML and so on. Note that you don't have to be specifically logged in to access or open any of these articles. However, while accessing the PAM and EOL tab, you need to be a registered user and should be logged into the network. Switch between different tabs to refine your results based on the product, version, templates, keywords, and so on. You can now search for various training methods under the Informatica University tab and drill down by the type of training method that you are looking for. If you find the article that you are looking for, click on the article link and open the article. We have a new feature called the article recommendations, which will recommend content for you on the article view page based on the clicks and navigations by other users on similar articles. You are now empowered with a new search experience to be able to navigate between articles with the recommendations feature. So go ahead, the more you click, the more you'll be able to hit a relevant article. You can also share the article with the various share options provided on the top of the article view page and download a PDF for local use. Your feedback is valuable to us, so please do share your feedback and comments about the article, which is available at the bottom of the article view page. To give feedback, you need to be specifically logged into the network. We would love to hear from you. Please provide your feedback at kb_feedback@informatica.com or network@informatica.com. Thank you so much.